Just want to let you know that get these are an extendable shoehorn, and they're really good for scooping out dross because there's a stainless thing in there and they pack away really easy. So get yourself those extendable, it's like an aerial, like a shoehorn for your shoes, but I find they're really good for scooping out. So I've done that, you see that down there. So I'll turn this off and we'll get it out. I'll just show you the shoehorn in action. Turn that off. Actually, I'm going to get more of these. These are bloody good. I sort of accidentally got it in the mail. They sent me this instead of something, the chingers. But look at that dross. Terrible. There's a bit of something there. There we go. I'm happy with that. Over there. I reckon we'll take this out. Take it out and do it now. Here's a big one.